It's under the white line device here, and I know I'm in a different area. That's because I'm at my mom's place and slash my cousin's place. Yes, I live with my cousin, but that's not what I'm gonna talk about right now. Right now, I'm gonna make a weird voice, but it might sound like I had helium, but no, I can do it without helium. Okay, are you ready? Okay. Okay, well, that's the weird sound of the day. Bye! Wait. Okay, that was weird.